Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to study how to perform inverse DFT using FFT algorithm. But let us see the basic definitions. Here the DFT is x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n wn raised to kn, where k ranges from 0 to n minus 1. Whereas the inverse DFT is x of n 1 by n into summation k is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of k wn raised to minus kn, where small n ranges from 0 to capital N minus 1. Now we can see that IDFT differs by DFT from two factors. First factor is this, that is it being multiplied by 1 by n. 1 by n is itself the period, that is capital N. And another part we can see is the twiddle factor, that is minus kn. So this will change the algorithm, that is the FFT algorithm. So we will have to modify the butterfly graph and we'll solve accordingly. First let us see what effects are on the butterfly. We will do this by taking one example. Let us say x of n is a 8-point sequence and x of k, that is the DFT of that sequence, would be 0.5, 2 plus j, 3 plus 2j, j, 3, minus j, 3 minus 2j, and 2 minus j. Now, we will find out x of n by performing inverse FFT, that would be the inverse DFT using FFT algorithm. So, first we should look at the twiddle factor values, as the twiddle factor varies by the negative sign. So, the twiddle factor values can be w raised to 0 is 1. W raised to 1 will be 0.707 plus j 0.707. Whereas w raised to 2 is equal to j. And finally, w raised to 3 is equal to minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. Now we can see that there is a changes in the sign, but the magnitude remains constant. So let us have a look on the flow graph. So for the first stage, we will draw the flow graph. But first we will write the input sequence. Input sequence is in normal order, not in bit reverse order. So like it is starting from x of 0 and ending to x of 7. So now this is a normal order. So let us draw the flow graph. As this is a DIF method, it will be the same flow graph, only the multiplying factors will change. Also we will mark the flow. It is important also to mark the multiplying factors. So now as this is the inverse DFT, the first major difference is multiplying 1 by n factor, that will be here. It will be multiplied at the start of every point. This is the main difference. Another major difference will be the multiplication of twiddle factor. We can see that the twiddle factor in the inverse DFT, it has a negative sign. So we can see here as wn raised to 0, wn raised to minus 1, wn raised to minus 2 and wn raised to minus 3. We will see what this means and what this will affect in the sum. Also we should write the multiplying factors, that is minus 1 at the ending of each butterfly. So we are ready to solve the first stage. We know the values of the input. So let us solve this.